Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable show PAL formats for camera record video on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. Now first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings you want to go down and tap on camera. In the camera settings, go down and tap on record video. Swipe down and tap on show PAL formats. Tap on the switch to turn it on or off. You can see that if I tap on show PAL formats, at the top here some more options becomes available, especially for the 1080 pixel. It's got PAL right here, and 4K at 25 FPS PAL. So two additional options available at the top if we turn on show PAL formats. If we switch it off, then those options are removed. And that's it. And it said that PAL is a television video format used in many countries in Europe, Africa, Asia, and South America. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.